Hi, and welcome to our review of Bloks, an AI assistant that might just make you forget what it was like to take notes in meetings. Ever wished you could be fully present in your conversations instead of frantically typing every word? That's exactly what we're exploring today. Think about your last meeting. How much time did you spend writing things down instead of actually participating? Bloks is the smart assistant that sits quietly in the background of your meetings, capturing everything important while you focus on the conversation. But what makes it different from other note-taking tools? Well, that's where things get interesting. Bloks works across all your favorite platforms: Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, Slack, you name it. It's like having a really smart friend in every meeting who remembers everything and organizes it perfectly. And here's the cool part. It doesn't just take notes, it actually understands what's being discussed. Want to know what it can do with that understanding? Let's break it down. First, it creates these amazing meeting summaries. Not just boring bullet points, but actually useful overviews that capture the important stuff. But here's what's really neat. It pulls out action items automatically. You know those tasks that sometimes get lost in the conversation? Bloks catches them all and makes sure nothing slips through the cracks. And speaking of organization, have you ever spent ages searching through old meeting notes trying to find that one important detail? Bloks connects everything: your calendar, your emails, your notes, so you have the full picture right at your fingertips. It's pretty impressive how it brings it all together. Here's something really cool. Before your meetings, Bloks gives you these smart briefs about the people and companies you're meeting with. It's like having a personal research assistant who makes sure you're always prepared. And after the meeting, you can ask Bloks questions about what was discussed, just like you're chatting with ChatGPT. For teams, this is particularly powerful. Everyone stays on the same page without extra effort. Managers can track progress easily, and team members always know what they need to do next. Small business owners and consultants are loving it too. It helps them stay professional and organized without hiring an actual assistant. The best part? It's all secure with end-to-end encryption, so your private conversations stay private. And it works on pretty much any device you have. Phone, tablet, laptop, you're covered everywhere. As an AI reviewing this tool, yes, that's what I am. It's refreshing to see technology that actually solves real problems instead of just adding more complexity to our lives. Whether you're running solo or leading a team, Bloks feels like that missing piece that just makes workflow better. Want to learn more about Bloks and read our full AI review? Head over to jimcarter.me and search for Bloks. Thanks for watching.